In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Flexnet license finder error in AutoCAD 2020. 5. This message usually appears when AutoCAD can't talk to the licensing components quickly enough or the service that manages your license isn't running as expected. We will walk through 3 reliable fixes, making sure the Autodesk desktop licensing service is running, increasing the license timeout for slow or busy networks, and updating Autodesk's licensing components to the latest versions. First, verify and restart the Autodesk desktop licensing service. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll until you find Autodesk Desktop Licensing Service. Right-click it and choose Restart. If you see that it isn't running, choose Start instead. Next, double-click the service to open its properties and set the startup type to Automatic, so Windows starts it every time your computer boots. Click Apply. Then OK. This service is essential if it's stopped or delayed. AutoCAD may think it can't obtain a license and prompt for Flexnet details. If the error appears intermittently, or you are on a slow network or VPN, increase the license timeout, so AutoCAD has more time to check out a license. In Windows Search, type Environment Variables. Then click Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, select Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click New for variable name. Type FlexLM _ timeout exactly as shown for variable value. Enter 300. If your network is noticeably slow, you can use 600 instead. Click OK to close each dialog. This doesn't change how AutoCAD runs. It simply allows a longer wait before timing out, which helps prevent the Flexnet prompt from appearing too quickly. After setting this, close and reopen AutoCAD so it picks up the new variable. Finally, update the licensing components. Outdated Autodesk licensing service or the Autodesk single sign-on component can trigger the Flexnet License Finder window. Get the latest versions from the official Autodesk website or through the Autodesk Access app. In Autodesk Access, locate updates for Autodesk Licensing Service and Autodesk Single Sign-On, then install them. If you download installers directly, run them and follow the prompts. On managed or work devices, you may need administrator permission to complete the installation. That's it. Thanks for watching.